Climb inside the 2009 Dodge Journey. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include air conditioning, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, and much more. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 125-point inspection. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.